Hi, I'm here to give you a quick 1-minute intro to why TradeBench can help traders like you and me. Our number one goal with TradeBench is to have every trader using our system become a more profitable trader. That goal is not achieved by offering a black box proprietary system as we often see in the trading industry. Instead, what we offer is a structured approach with some simple yet very powerful tools that can help you in your trading. Tools such as trade planning, position sizing, trading journal, review and learn, generate reports, share trades, and trade plans. TradeBench is fully customizable and can be used with basically any trading strategy and any trading vehicle, as we support almost all trading instruments and exchanges around the world. Let's see how it works. Start by registering as a free user. As soon as you're logged in, head for the settings page. This is where you'll set your personal parameters for risk alerts and position sizing. These parameters are used every time you use TradeBench to plan a new trade, as the system uses them to calculate exactly how many shares or contracts you can buy. It has been said that if you don't have a plan, you plan to fail. I believe this is very true, and as such, a large part of TradeBench is trade planning and position sizing. We've also included a trade comparison tool for trades you're currently considering that you want to compare. We've made great efforts to create an easy-to-use trading journal to have it be an integral part of your trading routine. After closing a trade, you get to review the trade. Together with our reports, it brings a tremendous learning opportunity for you to learn from your own trades. And if you want someone else's opinion before entering a trade, or you want to share your trades or progress, you can share them to Facebook, Twitter, in discussion forums, or even easily include them on your blog. Warren Buffett, famous trader and one of the richest men in the world, has said that risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. TradeBench helps you know exactly what you're doing by creating a plan before entry, making sure you set stops and targets, calculating your position sizes, and much more. To try it all out and see what TradeBench can do for you, go to tradebench.com and sign up. Welcome to TradeBench.